What's going on, everyone? We've got the Nintendo Switch 2 here. Yes, this is going to be another unboxing, but I know you guys don't ever get tired of unboxings, especially when it comes to new consoles like this. So, let's get right to it. Got the left Joy-Con here with that pastel blue. Put it off to the side. Got the right Joy-Con here. Pastel red, orange, not really sure what that is. And we've got the tablet here. The actual Switch itself. There's that branding. Believe it or not, this is my first Switch console. I never got the original Switch or the OLED or the Lite. We've got high-speed HDMI cable. Nice of them to put that in there. Some companies don't. And we've got these straps so you could use the mouse mode on the Joy-Cons. Matching colors, quite nice. Pull this out of here. Now, we've got the controller adapter to put the Joy-Cons in. We'll do that in a second. Looks nice. And we've got the dock. Really excited for the Switch 2 since, like I said, didn't have the original Switch, the Switch OLED, Switch Lite. I've been playing a PS5 for Lord knows how long, so this should be a good experience. I've kind of gotten a little bit bored of the games, AAA games, Sony exclusives. They're great and all, but you know, kind of wanted something new. So excited for this, especially now that it has the Switch 2 has good power, good enough power to run games at 60 frames per second, 1080p, 4K docked, so kind of excited. We got a USB-C power brick. Real nice. Pretty good material here. All the stuff here has really nice materials. It's like it's all plastic, but looks like it's very fingerprint resistant, which is nice. And then we've got the USB-C cable for the power brick. So you have everything you need. Let's whip these Joy-Cons out. Got the first one. Look at that, that is gorgeous. Even got a little bit of, looks like some specs. Chat button, home button. Joysticks feel good. Very premium. There's one. Got the other one here. Beautiful. Let's try it on the control first. Oh yeah. Very satisfying. Click. Comfortable, but as you'll see in another video, I've got the Pro controller, so yeah, feels okay. Feels kind of, you know, kind of cheap, but it's a good solution that it comes with in the box. To pull these out, all we gotta do, hit these little ejector buttons, and they're out. Got the tablet, got a little bit of dirt here, but it's on the outside, so that's fine. I am gonna put a screen protector on this, but I'm waiting for a Savage Raven matte screen protector to get here before I do so. Now, pretty sturdy, I would say. Oh yeah, that is satisfying. And we got it right there. Let's do a quick docking. Don't want to scratch it. I've heard some reports. It's quite a tight fit. There you go. Unboxing done.